guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. This is going to be my first makeup tutorial and I actually decided to do an updated on a basic makeup look. So let's go ahead and get started. As you know, I like to do my eyebrows off camera, so eyebrows are already done. I am going to be using one palette today, and the palette I'm going to be using is the Morphe palette, and this is palette number 35W. The first shade that I'm pointing to is the shade that I placed on top of my concealer to act as my base for my eyeshadow. Next, we're going to go in and deepen my crease, and I'm using this darker brown shade here, and I'm just placing that right on my crease and blending that out. To add some shimmer, I'm going to be combining both the darker shimmer and the most brightest yellow tone shimmer, and I'm going to place that right on my lid. Once the two shimmers have been placed on the eyelid, I'm going to go back in and blend in on the crease just to make sure there is no lines. Next, we're going to go ahead and place my liner and doing my mascara. I did do that off camera. So here you go, that is completed. And so now it's time to get on this face. I am totally loving this PeterThomasRoth Skin to Die For primer. It's super soft, super silky. It goes on, there's no matting. It makes my skin feel like it's dry, but yet it's still working. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that all over the face and then blend that on out. I'm going to be using two different foundations. As you can see, I've been using that all winter. I'm going to be using the darker tone of the NYX Total Drop Control foundation, and this is in the shade Cool. And to lighten up the face around my highlighting perimeters, I'm going to be using the MAC Cosmetics Matchmaster number 7. I'm going to go ahead and apply that all over my face, and I will be blending it out with my Mikasa brush. And now it's time for the concealer, and I'm so happy that I got this concealer because it's amazing. This concealer is from NARS, and it's their Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm using the shade Amande, or is it Amande? I don't know. It's amazing. I love it. It's super creamy, super blendable. Love it. Once that's been placed all over my highlighting points, I'm going to go in with my black contour stick. You guys know I love this sucker. I'm going to go ahead and place that all over my contour areas. And then I'm going to blend everything out with my beauty blender. Now to set all the cream and foundation, I'm going to be using my 3 powders, and again, you guys know my 3 powders that I use. This is the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Then I have the foundation from Cover FX in the shade N100, and then we have the Slick Contour Kit, and this is in the shade Dark. I'm going to be placing the translucent powder on with a beauty blender. The foundation will be placed on with a Morphe brush. And then the contour will be blended out with my contour stick from Sephora. Once all that's been blended out, I'm going to go ahead and use my kabuki brush just to make sure there's no harsh lines or powder remaining anywhere. And we are going to go ahead and add me some blush. I'm using the BH Cosmetics Dual Brush Palette, and I'm using the more pinker tone here in the middle. I'm going to place that all over. Now to give myself a little bit of shimmer, we're going to be using the same eyeshadow from the Morphe Palette, and I'm going to place this all over my highlighting points. Blend that out. I know the lipstick company that I'm about to say has some controversy with himself last year. However, I got all these lipsticks last year for Christmas, and the one that I fell in love with that was my perfect nude is the shade Scorpio. It's pretty much dead now, but I still scrape it as much as I can, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that all over the lips. Next, give my lips some gloss. Gotta have some gloss, y'all. And I'm using the Makeup Forever Artist Plexi Gloss, and this is in the shade 100p. It is super nude, and I just love it. I mean, you could use it on its own or together like I did here. It's amazing. And to give my lips a little bit more shimmer, we're going to go back into that eyeshadow palette and place that right on top of the lips, and we're just going to blend that out. And there you have it, guys. This is my pretty basic, if I'm not doing anything, kind of look, just a day 2. I hope you guys like it. I do. It's pretty chill. The next couple videos will be more colorful and more like, damn, that's some pop of color. So I hope you guys like it. Thanks for staying in tune. If you haven't already, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. And thanks for watching, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.